Hello, class 7th. Welcome in General Knowledge class. Today we are going to start an interesting topic fascinating palaces that is on page number 33, lesson number 25. Students, these are the terms that you are going to learn in this topic. Island, an area of land surrounded by water from all sides. Bay, an area of land surrounded by water from three sides. Hills, mountains that are less in height. Students, you can see a picture on the screen. Which palace is this? Yes, this is Potla Palace. The Potla Palace is a fortress in the city of Lhasa in Tibet. It was the winter palace of Dalai Lamas from 1649 to 1959. It has been a museum since then and is a World Heritage Site since 1994. The fifth Dalai Lama started its construction in 1645. The Potla Palace was listed to UNESCO World Heritage List in 1994. It is Tibet's greatest monumental structure, 170 meters above the Lhasa Valley. Students, guess the picture. Which picture is this? This is the picture of Mont Saint Michel Palace. Mont Saint Michel is a tidal island and mainland in Normandy, France. Island means land surrounded by water from all sides. Its location is where Brittany and Normandy merge in the bay, leading to the walled city that looks even in broad daylight. During high tides, the city is cut off from the mainland, making it more mystical affairs. The beautiful Mont Saint Michel is also famous for being a UNESCO's World Heritage Site. This castle was actually used for the Hogwarts scenes in all of the Harry Potter movies. This is a picture of Przemyśl Castle. Przemyśl Castle is a castle built within a mouth of a cave in south central Slovenia. It is located in the village of Prijama, approximately 11 kilometers from the town of Postona and a kilometer from Postona Cave. The castle was built under a natural rocky arc. The interior of the castle is also very beautiful. The castle is open to the visitors for the full year. This is the picture of Neuschwanstein Castle. The castle is one of the most visited castles in Germany and one of the most popular tourist destinations in Europe. The castle is located in Bavaria. It was built by King Ludwig II of Bavaria, also known as a fairy tale king. The Neuschwanstein castle looks like a fairy tale castle. The castle has a very beautiful inner garden surrounded by a walled courtyard. It even has an artificial cave. It is the most popular tourist destination in the world. This is a picture of Matsumoto Castle. Matsumoto Castle is one of the Japan's historic castle. The building is also known as a crow castle due to its black exterior. It was built around 1595 in contrasting black and white color. It is representing six different families. Guess students, which castle is this? This is a picture of Malbork Castle. Malbork Castle is located in the north of Poland on the east bank of the river Noget. It is the most complete and elaborate example of Gothic brick built castle complex in the characteristics and unique style of the Teutonic order. It is the largest castle in the world measured by land, area, and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Students, this is a picture of Prague Castle. Prague Castle is a castle complex in Prague, Czech Republic, built in the 9th century. It is the official office of the President of Czech Republic. Prague Castle is the largest castle in the world. The castle is among the most visited tourist attractions in Prague, attracting over 1.8 million visitors annually. This is a picture of Palacio da Pena. Palacio da Pena is the romantic castle in the municipality of Sintra on the Portuguese Riviera. The castle stands on the top of a hill in the Sintra mountain above the town of Sintra, and on a clear day it can be easily seen from the Lisbon. The palace is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the seven wonders of the Portugal. This is a picture of Lauenburg Castle. Lauenburg Castle is known as Lion Castle. Is one of the most beautiful castles in the world. The castle is located in the German town of Kassel on the Bavaria mountain 92 meters above the sea level. From a distance, it appears to the visitors as a romantic Gothic castle. Students, this is the end of the today's topic. I hope you understood the topic and you are able to solve the exercises by yourself. I will come with the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.